Today I'm sharing my honest take on Involio in 2026 and whether it's actually worth your money. Now, I've spent some time testing it out, going through its features, and seeing how it holds up in real use, rather than just marketing claims. What stood out first is that it's pretty easy to navigate, even if you're not super technical, and that's a big plus for beginners. Performance-wise, it's decent, but not flawless, and I did notice a few limitations when pushing it with heavier tasks. The pricing is where things get a bit debatable, because depending on your needs, it might feel either fair or slightly expensive. Overall, I'd say Involio in 2026 is solid, but it's not a must-have for everyone. If you're someone who values simplicity and just needs a reliable tool without too many bells and whistles, it could work well for you. But if you're expecting something highly advanced or packed with premium features, you might want to compare a few alternatives before deciding. I'd recommend trying the free version first if available, just to see if it fits your workflow before spending any money on it. That's my honest take overall today.